You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names of Hebrew origin. If you want to learn more biblical names and more confusing names that many get wrong, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to learn from. Izael, Hebrew pronunciation Izael. Also in English, Izael. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Spanish pronunciation Izael. How do you pronounce it? Let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.